Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Google Pay and PayPal connected debit cards step by step clearly. To withdraw funds from Google Pay connected to your debit card, begin by opening the Google Pay app on your device. Ensure you are logged into your Google Pay account. Navigate to the home screen where you can see your balance. Select the withdraw option prominently displayed on the screen. Choose the linked debit card option for the withdrawal. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw from your Google Pay balance. Review the transaction details to confirm they are correct. Tap on the Confirm button to proceed with the withdrawal. Wait for a confirmation message indicating the withdrawal process has started. You will receive a notification once the funds are transferred to your debit card. Now, let's move on to withdrawing from PayPal. Open the PayPal app or website and log into your account. Click on the Wallet section to view your connected accounts. Identify the debit card you want to withdraw funds to. Select the Transfer Funds option available on the screen. Choose Withdraw to your bank or Withdraw to debit card, depending on your preference. Enter the amount you want to withdraw from your PayPal balance. Review all details to ensure they are accurate before proceeding. Click on the Submit or Confirm button to finalize the transaction. Wait for an email confirmation regarding the withdrawal request. Check your debit card or bank account for the funds in the next few business days. Follow these steps carefully to successfully withdraw from both Google Pay and PayPal connected debit cards. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.